the other one.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Montgomery County and southwestern Iowa, southeastern Potawatomi County and southwestern Iowa until 4 p.m. At 3:09 p.m.
If you put them on the radio, they went off. Two of them. Yeah, that's my sister. It's my sister right here. Say hi.
No!
Oh, sorry.
Cut that out.
I'm sorry, Scarlett.
Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is radar indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Montgomery and southeastern Potawatomi counties. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties.